Welcome back to AI Chronicles, where we unravel the digital tapestry of tomorrow's technology today. In this episode, we're serving up a symphony of silicon and software that's transforming ordinary humans into maestros of their own musical destinies. So, tune your senses to the frequency of innovation, because we're about to dive into the future where everyone can be a Beethoven or a Bowie, no musical chairs necessary. Picture this, you're lounging in your living room, but instead of streaming the latest hits, you're crafting them. Enter Suno AI, an ingenious tool by Anthropics that's shaking up the music industry faster than a guitar solo at a rock concert. With just a few clicks, Suno AI allows even the most tune-challenged among us to churn out tracks that could climb the charts. It's not just a game changer, it's a whole new game. And guess what? This AI doesn't just pen lyrics, it belts them out too. Who needs a recording studio when you have a smartphone? But before you cancel your Spotify subscription, there's more. We're also syncing up with the tech giants racing to embed AI deeper into our lives. Apple's gearing up for a major reveal with iOS 18, promising an AI overhaul that might just make Siri the assistant we always hoped she'd be. Meanwhile, across the pond, a team in Botswana is using AI to unearth diamonds in the rough, literally. With technology that outsmarts traditional geologists, they're digging up insights faster than we can say bling. And for those who think the future is too far, we've got something for you too. Remember the AI pen by Humane we speculated about? It's hit the market, and let's just say, the reviews are in. Is it the gadget of the future, or just another shiny bauble? We'll peel back the hype to see if it's really worth pinning your hopes on. So, whether you're here for the tunes, the tech, or just to keep tabs on the future that's unfolding at breakneck speed, you're in the right place. Buckle up, hit subscribe, and let's ride the wave of AI innovation together. Stay tuned, because AI Chronicles is just getting started, and trust us, you don't want to miss a beat or a bite. Suno AI is not just about creating songs, it's about democratizing music production. Developed by Anthropics, known for their AI-driven chatbot Claude, Suno has quickly become a cultural phenomenon. With no musical background required, users can input their creative prompts, and Suno crafts and vocalizes songs. This innovation has not only captivated users, but also attracted significant investment, including a partnership with Microsoft, enhancing its accessibility and integration into various platforms. The tool offers both free and subscription-based models, providing flexibility for users. The free version allocates daily credits for song creation, while subscription plans offer additional credits and benefits, such as retaining rights to the music produced, which isn't available in the free version. This pricing structure makes Suno AI accessible to a wide audience, from casual enthusiasts to more serious musicians looking to experiment without hefty upfront costs. Moreover, Suno AI's legal framework ensures that while users can create songs freely, the AI restricts the use of copyrighted material, ensuring that all creations are original and legally sound. This is particularly crucial in maintaining ethical standards and respecting existing artists' works while fostering new creative expressions. Transitioning from music to technology, Apple is set to revolutionize its ecosystem with iOS 18. This update is poised to integrate advanced AI capabilities that enhance device functionalities across the board. By processing data directly on the device, Apple ensures even older models benefit from new features without additional hardware. The focus on privacy and efficiency is clear, as AI enhancements are designed to operate independently of cloud-based services, which aligns with Apple's commitment to user privacy and data security. In the realm of natural resources, AI is making significant inroads. Botswana Diamonds has employed a new AI technology to scan vast geological datasets that would be too cumbersome for human analysis. This AI, capable of simulating expert human geologists, accelerates the discovery of new diamond sites by analyzing existing geophysical and soil data more efficiently and accurately than traditional methods. Lastly, the consumer tech world saw the release of Humane's AI Pen, a device that promises smartphone-like functionalities in a compact, wearable form. Despite its innovative design and potential, early feedback suggests that it may not yet be ready to replace more conventional technology. Issues such as overheating and inconsistent performance have tempered user expectations, highlighting the challenges of introducing new tech paradigms. Each of these developments showcases the breadth of AI's impact, from creating music to enhancing mobile technology and even transforming the mining industry. As AI continues to evolve, it promises to reshape industries and user experiences worldwide, making advanced technology more accessible and efficient. As we've journeyed through the fascinating world of artificial intelligence today, we've seen how AI continues to redefine the boundaries of creativity, convenience, and industry efficiency. From Suno AI turning novices into music producers to Apple's iOS 18 leveraging AI for enhanced device performance and the intriguing use of AI in discovering new diamond deposits, the potential seems limitless. However, while the promise of AI is undeniably exciting, it comes with the responsibility to ensure these technologies are used ethically and safely. As consumers and participants in this rapidly advancing digital age, it's crucial to stay informed and engaged with how AI technologies are developed and implemented in our daily lives. We encourage you to dive deeper, explore these technologies, and consider their implications, both good and bad. Engage in community discussions, provide feedback to developers, and participate in forums to share your experiences and concerns about AI. If you're intrigued by the possibilities AI holds for your personal or professional life, we recommend experimenting with these tools, starting with accessible platforms like Suno AI or exploring the new features in iOS 18 once released. For those interested in the ethical and societal impacts, consider joining advocacy groups that focus on responsible AI usage. Your voice matters in shaping the future of AI, a future where technology not only advances but does so with consideration for its impact on humanity and our world. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Chronicles for more updates on how AI is transforming our world across multiple sectors. Share your thoughts, experiences, and what you'd like to see covered in future episodes. Let's continue this conversation and ensure that as AI evolves, it does so for the betterment of all. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to bringing you more insights in the next installment of AI Chronicles.